Hi, so welcome to Content Management Step by Step, Step 2. So let's have the installing WordPress through our control panel. So we have two versions of this Step 2, through control panel and through downloading from WordPress.org. Okay, so this one is through control panel. Okay, so let us log in to our hosting that we created. Okay, so this is the hosting that we have. Okay, so let's click manage and then go to control panel, and then of course let's click approve. Okay, so usually this is the control panel of almost all web hosting companies, even the paid web hosting. So let's check here. So it's software, which is the Softaculous apps installer. Okay, so this is what we need to install WordPress through cPanel. Okay, let's click that. Then we have now going to install this. Okay, so what is the name of your WordPress blogs? Okay, so you must think for a name. Okay, so I want it to be okay, so that is my username and my password. Okay, so just leave it like that. Do not forget your admin password because you need it you need this in logging into your WP admin. Okay, then you can select any theme that you want. Okay, for example, I want this, and then I'll just click install. And then let's just wait 3 to 4 minutes to be finished. Okay, so I'll just post this for a while. Okay, so now it is successfully installed. So you can now log into your PHPMyAdmin. You can also visit your website. So this is our admin or dashboard. And then this is our website. Okay, so that is how to install a WordPress through cPanel.